How's it, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're going to replace the plastic Razz rack on a Centurion D10 for some steel rack. Well, this Razz rack keeps on coming loose. They can't last when it's used at a complex. This is quite a small gate in terms of operation for this gate motor. So the best is to fit steel rack, get it over and done with, and you sort it for a very long time. So you can just see that they've used big steel washers and steel nuts in order to assist with the spacing of the Razz rack. Just turn it like that, and it's never going to be sturdy. Razz rack is meant to be fitted onto the gate directly. You can see it's not sturdy at all. If I just turn it with my hand, you can see it moving up and down. Yeah, let's quickly do it. We're done with fitting the steel gate rail onto the gate motor. Coming back to the origin marker, it's completely different from the plastic Razz rack. It comes with a steel bracket. So we used 40 by 40 by 3 millimeter steel angle iron brackets here. This gate is nearly 4 meters long, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We've used 10 steel brackets on it. Just going to quickly finalize the final paint on it, and then we'll test it. Done and dusted. Let's quickly test it. We've adjusted the speed on this steel sliding gate due to the vibrations and noise on it. So with it running slower, our noise is down all the way. Our steel gate rail has been obviously painted with Durham's NS4 primer paint, and then we've painted a final thinner based final black paint. So yeah, no water bases apart from the primer paint.